Hello once again, grade 9 students. Let's now proceed to our next lesson, which is all about the similar triangles. The MELC for this topic applies the theorems to show that given triangles are similar. And for the learning objectives, recall the different similarity postulates. Find the unknown parts of given similar triangles, and apply the theorems of similar triangles. So what are similar triangles? We have here triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, written as triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Excuse me. So this is the symbol for similarity. Yung parang wave sign na yan. So under the correspondence, A corresponds to X, B corresponds to Y, and C corresponds to Z, if and only if all pairs of corresponding angles are congruent and all pairs of corresponding sides are proportional. So these are the two basic definition of similar triangles. In order for two triangles to become similar, all pair two or more, I should say. In order for two or more triangles to be similar, all pairs of corresponding angles must be congruent, and all pairs of corresponding sides must be proportional. Okay, the symbol used for similarity is this, parang wave sign na yan. Okay, let's try to consider the following features: triangle ABC, and we have here the smaller triangle XYZ. So we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ if and only if their corresponding angles are similar, equal. So angle A must be congruent to angle X, angle B must be congruent to angle Y, angle C must be congruent to angle Z. In addition to that, the corresponding sides must be proportional. So AV over XY is equal to AC over XZ equals BC over YZ. And we have here another similarity postulate, which is called the AAA similarity postulate. Okay, what does A stand for? Angle. So if all the angles of a triangle are congruent to the corresponding angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. So we have here in the figure triangle DAF with the midline PT, where PT is parallel to DF. In here, triangle EPT is congruent to triangle EDF. Tama. Angle ETP is congruent to angle EFD. Okay. Angle E is congruent to angle E. Therefore, triangle EPT is similar to triangle EDF by AAA similarity postulate. So all their corresponding angles are equal, therefore they are similar. So when we say similar, not necessarily they have the same shape. Okay, as long as their angles are equal and their sides are proportional, then two or more triangles are similar. Sample 1. Given the following triangles, find the lengths of S, angle A, and angle D. So in the figure, so you can see all the corresponding angles are equal. Angle A 65, angle D 65, angle B 67, angle E 67, angle C 48 degrees, angle F 48 degrees. Now when it comes to sides, AB 6, DE is 2, DF is S, AC is 9. So if AB is 6, AC is 9, ED is 2. So to solve for S, okay, the ratios of the lengths are equal. So we have 6 over 2 is equal to 9 over S. That will be our equation to solve for S. Kasi sabi natin, pag two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So, let us form two equal ratios. 6/2 is equal to 9/s. So, from this equation, we can now solve for our s by cross multiplication, cross product. 6 times s, 6s. 2 times 9, 18. 6s equals 18. Divide both sides by 6, cancel. S equals 18 divided by 6, 3. Therefore, the value of s is equal to 3. So the triangles are similar because of the AAA rule. All angles are congruent. Another similarity postulate is AA's similarity postulate. It says that if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. So not necessarily triangles. Pag yung dalawang angles are equal to the two corresponding angles of another triangle, then okay, automatically the two triangles are similar. In the figure, ST is parallel to PR, QS is 3, SP is 1, TR is 1.2. What is the length of QT? So what will be our equation here? QS over SP is equal to QT over TR, or 3/1 equals QT over 1.2. So this will be our equation. By cross multiplication, we have QT times 1 is QT, 3 times 1.2 is 4.5. I mean 1.6 should say. 3 times 1.2 is 1.6. So therefore, QT, the length of QT is 3.6. We also have here another similarity theorem, the SSS similarity theorem. S stands for sides. So if the measures of the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then the triangles are similar. So let's have here the illustration. Two triangles, PQR and STU. So in the figure, PQ over ST is equal to QR over TU is equal to PR over SU. Then, triangle PQR is similar to triangle STU by SSS similarity theorem. So, the sides, corresponding sides are proportional between two triangles, therefore they are similar by SSS similarity theorem. Example, given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, find the value of x and y. Yan. Triangle ABC, what are the sides? 3, 4, 5. And for the triangle DEF, what are the sides? X, 8, y. What is the length of x? What is the length of y? So we can solve for x by using the equation. So since they are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. So our equation here can be 3 over x is equal to 4 over 8 is equal to 5 over y. Yeah, corresponding sides lang. 3 over x equals 4 over 8 equals 5 over y. So from here, from this equation, we can now solve for x. 3 over x equals 4 over 8. Cross multiply. 4x equals 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6, or the segment D is equal to 6. How about the value of y? Solving for the value of y, we have the equation 4 over 8 equals 5 over y. Then by cross multiplication, 4y equals 4t. Then divide both sides by 4, y is equal to 10. Therefore, x equals 6, y is equal to 10. So, ganun lang kasimple. Knowing that two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. We have here another similarity theorem. It's called the SAS similarity theorem, which stands for side angle side. Two triangles are similar if an angle of one triangle is congruent to an angle of another triangle, and the corresponding sides including those angles are in proportion. Example, we have here triangle PQR and triangle STU. In the figure, PQ over ST is equal to PR over SU. At the same time, angle P is congruent to angle S. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle STU by SAS similarity theorem. Side angle side. Example, triangle MEN is similar to triangle PET. Find the measure of angle MNE, angle EPT, and angle PTE. So angle, okay, given angle EMN is equal to 55 degrees. Angle MEN is equal to 48 degrees. Yeah. So to find the measure of angle MNE, simply add the measure of angle EMN and angle NEM or MEN. So 55 plus 48. 55 plus 48 is 103. Then subtract it from 180 degrees, since the sum of the interior angles of triangles always equal to 180 degrees. Yes, triangle MEN is a triangle, so the sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. So what will you add to 55 and 48 to make it 180? So 180 minus 55 plus 48 degrees. 180 minus 103 degrees is 77 degrees. So 77 na dito yung angle N. So we can now be able to solve for the measure of the angles inside angle EPT or triangle EPT. So the measure of angle EPT is congruent to angle EMN. So the measure of angle PTE is 77 degrees. Yes. Yes. So the measure of angle EPT is 55, since it's congruent to angle EMN, and the measure of angle PTE is 77 degrees, since angle PT is congruent to angle MNE. And if you try to separate the two triangles, okay, you can be able to check their corresponding angles, so that you'll be able to know which angles are congruent. Example 5, triangle HEA is similar to triangle TRA. Find the measure of HE and HA. So given HE x plus 4, HA 3y plus 5, EA 21, AR 9, TR 12, TA 15. So let us solve for the measure of HE and HA. To solve for HE and HA, we must know the value of x and y. So our equation will be HE over TR, yes, because there are corresponding sides, is equal to EA over AR. And so we're not trying to solve for x. X plus 4 over 12 is equal to 21 over 9. So that will be our equation. This will be our equation to solve for x. Cross multiply 9 times x plus 4 is 9x plus 36. 21 times 12 is 252. 252 minus 36 is 216. 216 divided by 9 is what? 24. So therefore x is equal to 24. What is now the value of HE? HE is x plus 4, so 24 plus 4 is equal to 28. So 28 is the value of HE because x is 24. Now let's proceed to the value of y to solve for the for the length of HA. So our equation to solve for y is HA over TA is equal to TA EA over AR. Should be EA, no? Wait. HA over TA is equal to EA over AR. That's right. So our equation will be 3y plus 5 over 15 is equal to 21 over 9. Then by cross multiplication, 3y plus 5 times 9 is 27y plus 45 equals 21 times 15, 315. 315 minus 45, 270 divided by 27, which is equal to 10. If y is 10, what is the length of HA? 3y plus 5, so 30 plus 15 is 35. So therefore, HE is 28 units, while HA is 35 units. Yeah. I hope you understood on this part. So in a pair of similar triangles, The lengths of the altitudes drawn from the corresponding vertices are in the same ratio as the lengths of any pair of corresponding sides. Example 6, given the two triangles, find PS. So in triangle ABC, AB is 8 and the altitude is 12 AD. In triangle PQR, 10, PQ is 10. Okay, what is the length of PS? So what will be our proportion here? AB over PQ is equal to AD over PS. So the sides, corresponding sides of two triangles is equal to the corresponding altitude also. Yes. So we can now be able to solve for the length of the altitude PS. Our equation will be 8 over 10 is equal to 12 over PS. Cross multiply. 8 PS equals 120. 120 divided by 8 is 15. So therefore PS, the altitude of triangle PQR is 15 units. And so in a pair of similar triangles, the lengths of the angle bisectors drawn from the corresponding vertices are in the same ratio as the lengths of any pair of corresponding sides. Let's proceed to the next, example 7. Find the value of x. So we have here triangle ABC, and we have in triangle ABC we have here what we call segment CD. It's called the angle bisector of angle C because it divided the measure of angle C into congruent parts. That means angle ACD is congruent to angle DCB. So that's why segment CD is what we call the angle bisector. Okay, given AC is 18, AD is 12, BC is 24. What is the length of BD? X. So to solve for x, what will be our equation? Here, AC over BC is equal to AD over DB. So that's easy. 18 over 24 is equal to 12 over x. So that will be our equation to solve for x when an angle bisector is involved in a triangle. And so by cross product, let us have here 18x equals 12 times 24 to 88 divided by 18. X is equal to 16. Okay. So we've already solved the value of x, which is 16. Therefore, the length of BD is 16. We have also another solution. We can also use the equation 18 over 12 is equal to 24 over x. Okay. Pareho pa rin ang sagot. X is equal to 16. 18 times x, 18x. 24 times 12, 28. So x is equal to 16. So pwedeng 18 over 24 equals 12 over x, or 18 over 12 equals 24 over x. So same answer can be obtained, which is 16 units. So let's proceed to exercises. Okay, for part 1, determine whether each pair of triangles is similar. Write yes if it is similar and no if it's not. Okay, for number 1, features, are they similar or not? The answer is yes, they are similar. Okay, by AA, similarity theorem. Yes. Why? Because two angles are equal, yung 90 degrees siya ka 25. How about in number 2? Yes, again, number 2, they are similar by SAS, similarity theorem. Side, angle, side. Kasi 90 degrees yan. Dalawang angles. Yan. How about in number 3? Are they similar? Yes, by SSS, similarity theorem. Okay, corresponding sides are proportional. How about number 4? Okay, no, I think the sides are not proportional. How about in number 5? Okay, no rin, because the angles are not congruent. Only one pair of angles are congruent. So, ayun. Next, assume that triangle XYZ is similar to triangle MON. Let us complete the following statements for number 1. XY over MO is equal to 14 over what? 21. Correct. Corresponding sides sila eh. Next, X over 12 is equal to 10 over Y. That's correct. 10 and Y are corresponding sides. How about number 3? 10 over Y is equal to X over... Wait. 10 over Y is equal to X over... Should be 12, no? Putan lang natin. Type error. Should be 12. Yan. So, number 3 is 12. 10 over Y is equal to X over 12. How about this? Angle Y is congruent to angle O. Yes, correct. They're corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are congruent in two similar triangles. Angle blank is congruent to angle M. Angle X is the answer. Next, refer to the figures using the given information. Which theorem or similarity would be used to prove that triangle toy is similar to triangle car? Okay, for number 1, angle R is congruent to angle Y. Angle A is congruent to angle U. AA similarity theorem. The two angles are congruent. How about in number 2? SSS similarity theorem. Yes, the three sides, corresponding three sides are proportional. How about in number 3? SAS similarity theorem. Two corresponding sides are proportional. At the same time, one pair of angle is congruent. Number 4, SAS similarity theorem also. And for number 5, AAA similarity postulate. Corresponding angles, all three corresponding angles are congruent. Next, use the figure below and complete the following statements. Angle ABS, a triangle ABS similar to triangle PTB, and the ratio of PT over AB is 1/3. So let us answer 1 to 5. Let's complete the blank. Each side of triangle PTB is 3 times as long as the corresponding side of triangle ABS. Yes, kasi 1/3 ang ratio. If AB is 15, then what is the length of PT? Okay. If AB is 15, then PT is 3. 3 ba? Tama. If TB is 4, what's the length of BS? 12. Wait, may parang mistake tayo dito sa number 2, no? Kasi sa number 2, if AB is 15, then PT should be 5. Kasi 1/3 lang ang ratio niya eh. 1/3 ang ratio, so dapat 5. And for BS, if TB is 4, BS is 12. How about if PB is 6? What's the length of AS? 18. 6 times 3, 18. Now, if angle A is 68 degrees, what's the measure of? Then, in the other triangle, what is the measure? What angle is has a measure of 68 degrees? Of course, it's corresponding angle, which is angle B. Next, given two similar triangles, find the following. Triangle LYN is similar to triangle MAR. So, parang nag-opposite sila, so you can flip triangle RAM, or you can flip to the right side yung angle LYN para hindi ka malito also, no? So given LN 12, RM 24, AR 26, AM is 28. So 12 over 24 is 1/2. So I think the ratio is 1/2 here. So given angle, so there are two right. These are two right triangles. NL angle N 60 degrees. So 60 rin yan. Therefore this is 30. So what's the measure of angle LYN? 30 degrees kasi 60 yan eh. 60 plus 30, 90 plus 90, 180. How about angle RAM? It's also 30 degrees. How about angle RMA? 60 degrees. What's the length of LY? LY is 14, 1/2 of 28. See, the ratio is 1/2. How about YN? 1/2 of 26, which is 13. Okay, another. Given to similar triangles, find the following. Triangle JOY is similar to triangle AN. Measure of angle OJY is 41 degrees, and measure of angle OYJ 95 degrees. Find the length or the measure of the following. So this is 41, this is 41, 95. So to solve for angle O, add 41 and 95 minus 180. 95 plus 41 is 135. What is 180 minus 135? 45 degrees. So therefore angle JOY is 45 degrees. Wait. Walang mistake ako na, sorry. 41 plus 95, 136 pala. Sorry. 180 minus 136 is 44 degrees. Tama. Angle JOY is 44 degrees. Therefore angle N is also 44 degrees. Angle A 41 degrees. Angle E 95 degrees. So number 2, angle NAE. Same with J, 41. How about this? Angle ANE. Same with angle O. 44 degrees. What is the length of NE? I think 1/2 yung ratio kasi 9/18 is 1/2. So times 2. 7 times 2. 14. How about the length of AE? 4 times 2. 8. Ayan. Okay, meron pa dito. Find the value of the unknown given following figure. Show the solution. So QR is x plus 4, RS is 2x plus 3, QP is equal to 3, TS is equal to 5. Find the value of x, QR, and PR. Okay, for number 1, so corresponding sides are similar. X plus 4 over 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 pips. Yan, ganun lang. Tapos mag-cross multiply ka na, you can be able to solve for x. Then after solving for x, then you can now solve for QR and PR. So in number 1, x is 14. So if x is 14, what is QR? 14 plus 4, 18. About RS? RS is 28 plus 3. This should be RS. RS, not TR. I don't know. RS. RS is 31. Yes. Because 28 plus 3 is 31. Next. In number 2, if TP is 6. TP. I mean TS. TS is 6. QP is 4. RS is x plus 12. 3x minus 4. So same procedure, so just what you did in number 1. What is the value of x? 5.1. So if x 5.1, what is RS? 5.1 plus 12. 17.1. And if x is 5.1, what is QR? 3 times 5.1 minus 4. No, wala na, hindi na include. So let us just answer this orally. For QR, 3 times 5.1 minus 4 is 11.3. So we can also include. It's not included. Maybe we've forgotten. So QR is equal to 11.3. Yan. Yan. Control S and not S. Control S. And I think that's the end of our exercise. That's the end of our lesson on the similarity on triangles, similar triangles. So, salamat. Thank you for listening. See you again in our next lesson.